Hello, welcome to the last question under the Gambia General Mathematics 2025 question paper, question 13B. If you happen to have the further mathematics question for Gambia, feel free to share that with me so that I will have a solution for that also. So we are having two regular polygons, which is A and B, such that the number of sides of A is 2 more than the number of sides of B. The exterior angle of B is 21 less than the interior angle of A. We have to find a number of sides of the polygon what A. Let's bring into bear some of the properties we can deal with. First solution. So what do we do? Okay, let the size of polygon B be equals to what? N. Because we are saying that, what is it? Such that the number of sides of A is 2 more than the size of what? B. So if B is N, then we can say that the number of sides of polygon A will become the N plus 2, 2 more than that of the B. So if N is here, then N plus 2 will be there. From that place up to here, we are done with that first statement. Then the exterior angle of B is 21 less than the interior angle of A. So how do we find exterior angle of a polygon knowing the size? So I can say that the exterior angle of what? Polygon B is going to be 360 divided by what? Number of sides. That will be what we can get for exterior angle. And likewise, the exterior angle of polygon B is also going to be 360 divided by number of sides, n plus 2. But we are not asked to find that. We are only saying that the interior angle. And how do we find interior angle? There are two ways we can get the interior angle, which is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. That is what we know for interior angle. But also we know that the exterior angle plus its corresponding interior angle will give you what? 180. If you add interior plus its corresponding exterior, you get 180. So if I can find the interior by subtracting exterior from it, so that will also give me one approach. I think I will go for that approach since I'm seeing that 360 divided by n here. So I will say that interior angle of polygon A will become 180 minus the exterior angle, which is 360 divided by number of sides, which is n plus what? 2. So these are all the information with exception of 21. So we are saying that this exterior angle is 21 less than this, meaning this is less than this by 21. Meaning if I add 21 to this, I should be getting the whole of this. Or if I subtract 21 from here, I should be getting that of B. So this implies that your 360 divided by n is equals to 180 minus 360 divided by n plus 2. All this is less by 21 to give us this. That's the concept or the equation we can derive from this question. So now it becomes an equation we can solve. The bracket does not bring in any multiplication. It is just the same 180 minus this minus this. So we can subtract 21 from here. So I should be having 360 divided by n. What will be the value if I subtract 21 from 180? That should be giving you 159. So 159 minus 360 divided by what? N plus what? 2. Remember, these also have 1. So in order to find your LCM, to clear the fractions, you pick this denominator, multiply by this to become the LCM. So let's see, multiply. So you are multiplying through by that. I'm not going to show the multiplication because of space. If you multiply, the n will cancel n, leaving you with what? 360 times n plus 2 equals 2. When you multiply 1 times this, 1 going into this the same. So it's going to multiply this as a whole. So 159 times n. 159n multiplying n plus what? 2. Plus, I think this will be minus, right? This will cancel the bracket, remaining 360 times what? N. So this becomes the linear equation without the fraction, which now involve bracket. We need to expand that bracket. If we expand, we should have 360 times n, 360n, 360 times 2, 720, right? So we have 720 equals to 159n times n. That will be n squared. Plus, we have 159 times 2. That will be 318 n, because it is 159n. Then minus 360 what? N, without expansion in there. What is next? We are going to do grouping of like terms. So this is 360n, 360n. When come together, it will increase in terms of n. Okay, let's do the subtraction here and see. I have 318n minus 360n. That will give you minus 42. So the minus 42 come here, become what? Positive. So I have 360 plus 42. That will give you 402n. What again do I have? I have plus 720 equals to 159 what? N squared. All right. This is what we have. We have n squared, we have n, we have a constant that become a quadratic what? Equation. So let's clear here and proceed. So from here, let's rewrite this as a n squared coming first. So 159n squared at the right. This is coming as negative 402n. This is also going there as negative 720, leaving us 0. I think 3 can divide all of them. So let's divide by 3 and see. This will be giving you 53n squared. This will be giving you 134n. Then 720 divided by 3, 240 equals what? 0. So this, we can use the almighty formula, the quadratic formula. We can use, or completing the square. I'm going to use the calculator direct to look for the values of what? N. So our A here is 53. Our B is negative 134. And our C is negative 240. Let's put that together. The first value is negative. The second value is positive. So as if we're having n equals to 3.7 or n equals to negative 1 point. Let me go back and see. That will be 1.2, right? All right. So these are the values we can have for n using the quadratic formula, or better still, the completing the square approach. All right. I'm getting this answer directly because we are not solving a quadratic equation which is just employed into geometry. So what do? I know this is not exactly what I'm looking for, so I need to find the approximate. I can't pick negative because we are dealing with what? Measurement of what? Side. So we can say that, therefore, the number of side of polygon B is going to be what? 4. Then number of sides of polygon A is going to be the n plus 2, as we are having in the corner there, which is going to be what? 6. So the number of sides of polygon A is going to be 6. That of B is going to be 4. Because of the decimal I have here, I have a feeling if you have a different way of approaching this question, do that and share your thoughts in the comment section as we keep learning together. Like, share, subscribe, and bye-bye.